This image shows a schematic layout of the electrical wiring in a house, with references to various NEC, National Electrical Code, articles for each component. Here's a breakdown of the key components. Appliances, Article 210, 220, Chapter 4, cover circuits related to major appliances in the kitchen. Solar photovoltaic circuits, Article 690, indicates a dedicated area for solar power system connections. Multi-wire circuits, Article 200, 210, 300, refers to circuits that share a neutral wire between two different circuits. Lighting, Article 410, addresses lighting circuits in rooms. Smoke and CO detector, Article 725, specifies requirements for smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Service entrance, Article 220, 230, marks the entry point for the main electrical supply into the house. Branch circuits receptacles, Article 210, 220, denotes standard outlets for connecting devices. GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter, Article 210, outlets in wet areas for shock protection. Boxes, Article 314, represents junction boxes for wiring connections. Switches, Article 404, circuit switches for controlling electrical devices. Air conditioner, Article 440, circuit dedicated to air conditioning units. Bonding, Article 250, grounding for metal parts not intended to carry current. Cables, Chapter 3, various cables used throughout the house for electrical connections. ASIE, arc fault circuit interrupter, Article 210, protects against fire hazards by detecting arc faults. Service panel, Articles 230, 240, 312, 408, the main control panel where circuit breakers are located. Raceways, Chapter 3, enclosures for protecting and routing electrical wiring. Grounding, Article 250, establishes a ground system for safety. This layout provides a clear overview of residential electrical wiring requirements, with specific NEC articles guiding each component's installation and safety measures.